Hello! In this video, I will describe the advantages of deploying and operating VMware Horizon View virtual desktop infrastructure on top of Big Cloud Fabric. Big Cloud Fabric brings simplicity, network agility, and other benefits of virtualization to data center networks through a controller-based software-defined networking fabric. The fabric is based on a leaf-spine architecture with open networking hardware running switch-lite operating system. BCF integration with VMware simplifies the interactions between network and application teams and helps expedite provisioning and troubleshooting of VDI workloads. Taking a high-level view of our VMware solution, we can claim a very extensive support where we have a level of direct integration with each VMware product listed here. Through that integration, we also provide visibility and troubleshooting options for each of the products. Today, we will focus on vSphere and see how that integration benefits VDI deployments. Let's review the major advantages of Big Cloud Fabric integration with VMware vSphere, specifically for VMware Horizon View. Fabric automation greatly eliminates complex manual network provisioning for Horizon View workloads. When VMware Virtual SAN is used as a hyper-converged storage infrastructure here, vSAN transport network is automatically provisioned as well. Network capacity planning and troubleshooting for VDI is a breeze with real-time VDI workload visibility and historical VM event analytics. VMware Horizon View deployment process on top of a virtual SAN and Big Cloud Fabric is easy. First, we enable vCenter integration on Big Cloud Fabric, after which vSAN nodes are automatically attached to the fabric. Then we enable multicast on BCF tenant for vCenter with one simple knob and deploy vSAN inside vCenter. Note that as soon as VM kernel networking for vSAN is configured, the network is provisioned automatically. Finally, in Horizon View, we will connect to vCenter and deploy our virtual desktop pools. When VDI VMs are brought up, BCF segment corresponding to virtual switch port group and the ESXi node membership in the segment are provisioned. In the following demo, we will see how VDI network and VM are automatically configured on BCF. We will also demonstrate how real-time visibility and historical analytics accelerate VDI network troubleshooting. First, let's take a look at Big Cloud Fabric. In the Fabric page, we can see a complete view of the physical fabric with connections between leaves and spines. Big Cloud Fabric controller that manages and programs the switches enables the fabric to operate as one big switch. Now we can see that vCenter integration is enabled and the fabric is ready to automatically provision networking for VDI. Let's take a look at our Horizon View setup. Here we can see connection to the same vCenter. An automatic desktop pool is configured. We have configured this pool to use vSAN storage that has already been deployed with the help of BCF automation. We will have a maximum of 6 virtual machines deployed here on demand, with 1 spare virtual machine on standby. Because of prior user login, 1 desktop virtual machine has been assigned and the spare virtual machine is configured. Let's attempt to log in from a Horizon client and see if we can get a desktop assigned to us. As we can see, login was successful. A previously spare VM was assigned for this user. A new virtual machine is being brought up as a spare. If we go back to Big Cloud Fabric, we will see the previously provisioned VMs shown up as endpoints, and if we refresh, the newly provisioned spare VM will show up as well. Now, let's go to Big Cloud Fabric vCenter detailed view for additional visibility on VMware vSphere infrastructure, virtual networking, and VDI workloads. Going to Endpoint Table, we can see information on specific VDI VMs, their configuration, and their status on the fabric. If Horizon View infrastructure components such as connection server are deployed on Windows Server VMs, we can see them here as well. Oftentimes, when we troubleshoot a more complex problem, we have to look at a history of events over a particular time period and determine what has been going on. Here, Big Cloud Fabric Analytics aggregates fabric events and virtual infrastructure events in a single pane of glass. Going to Virtual Machine Dashboard, we can see that in the last 2 days, a lot has been going on with this VDI VM. We can click to zero in on events for that particular virtual machine. We can look at virtual SAN cluster events to get a view whether cluster instability was potentially the reason for VDI outage. Here we can see lots of events happening on host 10.10.2.11 within the last 6 hours when VDI infrastructure was unstable. This is one of the ESXi nodes housing VDI workloads, and having this information at network admin's fingertips accelerates joint troubleshooting with other IT teams. This concludes the demonstration. BSN Labs provide a simple way to experience Big Cloud Fabric for VMware. For more information, please visit our website at bigswitch.com or follow us on Twitter. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.